apologize for the last line. Um, and just my attitude in general. Um, I'm definitely taking a break from social media at least. Um, but like I don't think it's good to like I don't feel good if I don't come on and at least say sorry to everyone that I was being rude to. Um, you guys hear me? It's my beats. I think you guys can hear me now. I think it's better now. Alright. Like, I was drinking, so I made a fool out of myself, and I'm just super sorry. I was blocking people, my own friends, and just being super rude. Even in a bar, I was being rude to people. So I was being mean and rude to everyone around me, thinking people were coming at me. I'm just super embarrassed and sorry. It just does not feel good. So I'm here to apologize to you guys. Apologize to people that I was being mean to. This isn't the first time it's happened in the last like couple months. It's been pretty bad actually. Yeah, to be honest, I've been saying some like just mean stuff, like slurs, everything, if I'm being totally honest. Just mean, gross behavior. And for me not to take accountability is just not real. I'm not that person, but like I don't want to be that person, but I am being that person. I love everybody, and I respect everybody. So, but I've not been nice, thinking everyone's out to get me and stuff, and yeah. Yeah, it's super scary because that's not the person that I want to be, and it's not the person that I know I am, but I've definitely been just disgusting, and it's just very disappointed. I don't know what I'm trying to do. I appreciate you guys because you guys are so nice and like give me the benefit of the doubt. But I need to take a break from social media and like figure this out because it's not fair. I don't deserve to be. I gotta get my shit together. I don't even know where to start, you know, because it feels like there's just so much going on. So yeah, I gotta go, like, just, you know, get help, do my stuff. So that's why I'm off social media. Yeah. Not fun. But yeah. I've been super mean. Just digging myself a hole. Saying rude, disgusting stuff, thinking that I don't know what I'm trying to do. It's like I'm trying to prove to myself that I don't even know. It's like I'm trying to find myself and through other people or something.
and just not being my own person. And then I'm blaming other people for things, and there's been so many moments though the past like couple months. There's been a lot of moments. I wish I could turn gifts off. I don't even know how, but I don't even really want gifts right now, because that's not what this live's about, you know? But I appreciate it, but yeah, thanks guys. Yeah, I got definitely like a lot, anger for sure. I'm lost, like I don't know what I want to do. So I'm blaming other people. I've been letting everyone else do everything for me, and then that's a part of the problem too. Like I'm not my own person. Getting mad at friends and all that. Luckily my friends and my fans love me no matter what, but I'm still sorry to them, and I'm sorry to everybody, whoever kind of, because yeah, so you know, just taking a break, and I gotta take a break until I'm better, because it's just not right. So this is hard for me, you know. What did I do? For people that don't know, just the last live, I was like swearing and sticking the finger at people and calling people fake. But that's one of many times. I've been saying gross things as well to people. A lot of just mean things that isn't me. And I'm not really looking for forgiveness, because it's almost impossible to get like forgiveness from everybody. Sorry, I'm looking for forgiveness, but not from everybody on social media, because I know that's almost impossible, basically impossible. But I'm just trying to make it right as much as I can, you know. But yeah, that's all. Just embarrassing, you know? Super embarrassing. Like, I don't want to be like that. What are you sorry for? A lot. Mostly I'm sorry for just being a very disrespectful person. Very disrespectful. And for me to even be a creator is even worse, because there's people working so hard out there that aren't disrespectful, that move on from being so gross like that. And, you know, so it's super even worse, because I'm supposed to be an influencer, you know? So man, I'm super embarrassed. Yeah. I don't know. I guess that's it. I don't know. Yeah. So I just gotta work on being a better person before I come on social media. But this is me just telling you sorry. Also, I don't really know where I'm going forward. Like, I quit modeling. but I don't know what I'm doing with that. I just feel super like unworthy, and I just really want to like work on myself. A lot of regret too, you know? So it's tough. It's okay. Thank you guys though for being here. But like, I don't want to make this like a crying thing or anything, because I don't want people to feel sorry for me, because that's not right either, to play the poor me card. I don't really know. Yeah, I don't even know. I don't even know what I've been doing. Like, you know, just lost. Very lost. And the last thing I want is to be a hateful person. That's the last thing I want to be. Sometimes I feel like I have to be like a hateful person to stand up for myself or something, like really weird. But it's just, you know, it's not, I don't want to be like that, you know. Yeah, I definitely have like using qualities for sure, hateful qualities, and I think just being very thinking I'm better than everybody, and that's obviously not the case. Look at my hair. Kidding, but no, just yeah, you know, super yeah. So yeah, I just came here to say that. But thank you guys, and hopefully I'm back soon. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna really work on myself. So one day I can get to the point where I feel actually like a good person and confident and move forward, because right now I feel, even though it's not true, but I feel just like the worst person. And to be honest, that's how it is. I've been super disrespectful, very disrespectful. Yes, I can be respectful, but why am I being respectful? Am I trying to get things out of people? Am I trying to, whatever I'm trying to do is just not the right way of doing it. And yeah. I just want to be a normal person, you know? I don't even care about the fame and stuff. That's why I was quitting everything, because I just want to be back to normal, where like I treat people with respect like a normal person. But yeah, I want to listen to all the nice comments, but at the same time, I don't feel like I'm there yet to be talking. Like, I feel like I just need to break and focus on myself. But I really appreciate all of you guys. Thank you. Yeah, it's gonna be a journey, but thank you guys for being here. Have you been mean to your parents? Yeah, I don't think there's one person that I haven't been just disrespectful to. and I'm trying to make it like I'm right about everything, when deep down I know I'm wrong. So that's just a fake person, and I'm calling other people fake people. I'm calling people mean names that I don't even mean. It's mostly when I'm drunk too. So I do have to get help on, not drinking my problems away and stuff. And I'm, yeah, yeah, we'll see what the future holds. We'll see day by day, but I'm gonna stay off social media for a bit until I get better. Could be a year, could be 2 years. I don't know. I actually don't know. I don't know. Just kind of lost. But yeah, I just want you guys to know that deep down Will is not that negative person that he's being. I want you to know that I have a heart, and I love everybody and respect everybody and want the best for everybody. But I haven't been doing that. I don't know what I'm trying to prove. I don't know what I'm trying to figure out, but that's the last thing I want to do. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna get going. But I really appreciate you guys being here. Yeah, thank you. Thank you guys for sticking with me, and I love how you support other people. I don't know why that's what I mean. I love all of it. So I'm sorry to everybody. Thanks, guys. Take care. Yeah, take care. Take care, and everything's gonna be good, but I just gotta work on myself. I gotta actually do it, because the more I'm trying to prove myself, the more I'm fucking up, the more I'm messing up, the more I'm trying to prove that what I'm doing is right, or whatever, so I can't, I love you guys too. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Seriously, thank you. Thank you. I think it's just a little awkward. We got 1.1 thousand people, and I'm complaining and crying, but so it's a little awkward right now, but yeah, this situation isn't good right now. I'm the more I try to make it okay, it's just worse, So I'm very sorry to everybody. Super sorry. Thanks, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna get off now. Bye, guys. Have a good night. And yeah, I'm gonna go help myself, so I can be a better person moving forward, and hopefully gain forgiveness from the people that I sincerely hurt, or they look at me bad. Hopefully one day I can have that forgiveness, because it's not guaranteed, and when you hurt somebody's feelings, they live with that. So words hurt too. So but I'm gonna first start off with just working on myself. So thank you guys. Love you guys. Thanks. Oh man. Thank you. Bye, guys.